Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about one more command that is work SRV So, as in previous session, we discussed how we create the service program and attach module to that service program, and then we create the program with the help of service program. Okay. So, suppose if you want to do some modification in your service program, in that case, you can use this work SRV command. So, let's go through that command. So, you have to just write work SRV then take F4. Here you can put your service program name. So if you have referred the previous session, then in that session we discussed and created one service program with the name SRV one. So right now I'm using the same, and here you can specify your library name and then hit enter. So this is the service program that we have already in our system that we created in previous session. Now suppose if you want to create new service program, then from here also you can go and take option 1 and 2, create the service program. So one way is that we can use the crtsrvpgm command, and another way is that you can directly take option 1 and put information here, although it is taking to you that command only, like it will take you to the same screen where which we get from crtsrvpgm command. But this is the alternative way through which we can create the service program. Second option we have is 2. 2 is for the modification. If you want to perform some modification here, then you can take option 2 on the existing service program. 4 is for delete, and 5 is for display. So if you remember, we see and discuss about the DSP command. So same thing we can do with this option 5 also. So if you take 5, it will show all the information on consecutive enters regarding the service program. Okay. Now we will see how we can do some change operation or do some modification on this existing service program. So for that you have to take 2, and here you can take F10, and whatever the information are there, you can make modification for those information. Okay. So through this option you can uh, perform these changes, like if you want to change the user profile or any other information, then you can take option F2 for change and change the required things accordingly. Okay, so 2 is for change, 1 is for create, and 4 for delete, and 5 is for display. Now suppose I want to create new service program. So one way is I can directly go with crtsrvpgm command. Another way is work srvpgm, then take F4. Here you can put your new name that from which you want to create the service program. So let's create test SRV, then library name in which you want to create that service program. Hit enter. Here you can take option 1 now, put the name. So test SRV, library name is Sharmit from, and enter. So once you hit enter, it will take you to this CRT SRV PGM command. And from here you can take option F10 to attach the ser- uh, to attach the binding directory here. Okay, and all the other information like modules, and you can change like the same thing we can perform here that we have performed with CRT SRV PGM, because this option is also taking us to the same screen. Okay. So yeah, that's how we can use this work SR VPGM command, and it is same as we have work BNDDIR command. So both are similar, but here we are working for service program, and using work BNDDIR command we are working for binding directory. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Check.